Hello, welcome back to the channel and this week's episode of 180 Tech Chat. It's been a busy week, lots of new games have been played and lots of news to get through. First up, who's been playing Halo Infinite? We have. The multiplayer aspect of the game went live the other day. It's free to play on Steam and Xbox. There's a whole load of nostalgia and it's been quite fun to dive back into. Now, if you've not yet tried it out, give it a go. It's free after all. There is more Halo news. A teaser has been dropped for the Halo TV show. Yes, Master Chief is going to be hitting your TV screen soon. To celebrate the 20th anniversary of Xbox, Paramount Plus has released the first trailer of Halo the series. It's live-action adaptation of the beloved first-person shooter series. The series will follow Schreiber's Master Chief in a reimagined telling of the conflict between Earth's United Nations, Space Command, and the religious alien faction known as the Covenant, seen in the first 3 Halo games and the prequel Halo Reach. This could be huge. It could, but I'm not sure it's going to be the next Mandalorian. Plus, Obi-Wan is coming next year as well, and I'm so looking forward to that. Halo the series will be released sometime in 2022. Next up, Apple. Now, of course, they're always in the press, but this is actually quite a positive move from Apple. Apple have announced that they will let you, the consumer, the owner of an iPhone, repair it yourself. Now, that's interesting, right? Apple made the shock announcement earlier this week, stating that they will begin to provide customers with official parts and tools to repair their own iPhone and Macs at home. Apple said that the new program, Self-Service Repair, will launch with the parts for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 lineups, with Mac computers featuring M1 chips following shortly thereafter. They're rolling it out in the US at first, and I'm really interested in seeing how this plays out. How affordable will this be? How easy will it be? Or will people just take their phones to the local phone store? And what if you did something wrong and made the repair worse? Now, time will tell, and watch this space. Now, for a proper piece of tech hardware news. Mediatek have just announced a brand new flagship chip, the Dimensity 9000, a new competitor for Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon chips. Mediatek are saying that this is their most powerful chip to date, and they want just to be in the same playing field of the likes of Qualcomm and probably be in Samsung phones and other phones, on all the phones in fact. The new Dimensity 9000 is the first mobile chip to be built on TSMC's 4nm processors, in addition to using ARM's new V9 architecture. It's also the first announcement CPU to use ARM's new core designs, a single Cortex X2 performance core clocked at 3.05 GHz, 3 Cortex A710 cores at 2.85 GHz, and 4 Cortex A510 efficiency cores at 1.8 GHz. The GPU, meanwhile, is a 10-core ARM Mali G710 along with MediaTek's 5th generation APU with 6 total cores for AI processing. Now, this is some really top-level stuff. They're saying the chip's going to be capable of capturing a 320 megapixel image if you've got the sensor that can shoot that, and that's impressive, like really impressive. 320 megapixels on a mobile phone, that would be amazing. Now, maybe your next smartphone will have one of these chips in. On a final note, Black Friday is officially next week, and we're seeing a lot of decent deals coming into our inboxes. So if you're looking for something specific, now is the time to get shopping. Like for me, I'm waiting for Black Friday to get myself a couple of 1440p monitors. I'm making that jump. Nick's looking at camera lenses, and I think I might upgrade actually. Thinking of putting in another NVMe drive into my computer because I've still got mechanical drives where all my games are stored, but if the Black Friday deals are decent, then I'll start looking for a new NVMe drive as well. Thank you for watching this week's 180 Tech Chat. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos. Also, let us know in the comments down below what you thought about this week's news, anything surprised you, or if we've missed anything that we should really be talking about, because we only pick a few news articles to come to you in these videos. If we missed something super important, let us know down in the comments. As I say, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next week.